All right, so as promised, I'm going to try to do a video playing the whole thing. Hopefully it will not get silenced because I know for sure if I were ever do a video that has anything copyright on it, TikTok completely silences the whole video, not just that part. So hopefully YouTube will let it play through and just give me a copyright warning. So we'll see. I adjusted the video. I didn't like it when I was doing the first film, so I went and re-edited the video that's in here. I moved, her face was a little bit too much one way. I'm looking from behind, so I don't remember. I think it was moved this way. So I centered it better. I enlarged it a little bit, and I moved it, I think, up a hair. So this is going to be the new updated video, and this is what I'm going to be including in the plug and play head. So you can look at it. I think it's much more centered, and it fills the face better. So anyways, so the first video I'm going to show you is direct wire, and that's of course with this cable that has the male end on it plugged into the speaker. I have it going through this ground loop isolator here. I like this one better. This was the one that I didn't have at the time when I did my first filming. I tested both of them. This one's slightly better. It's still just a little bit of a buzzing here, but it seems to go away when I turn it on. So I like this one better. So this is the one I'm going to be adding to my my online store. So anyways, we're all hooked up. So I have it coming out of the head through the ground loop isolator, through this, I think it's about a 25-foot long cable, and then it's going into the line-in jack on the back of this powered speaker here. So, and let's give it a test to see. Watch your lips, listen to the sound, and let me know what you think of this. And then we'll do the Bluetooth one later after this.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourines. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond, let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Let's move on to the Bluetooth. So again, to do Bluetooth mode, we're just going to take this cable off, and we're going to use this cable with the female, plug it into the speaker port in the back. My fat fingers out of the way here. And then we're going to flip this around. And yeah, let's see. We're going to go this way. Yeah, this way. We're going to switch it around. All right, plug it in our, I'm going to unplug the line in, get that out of the way. I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm going to turn on Bluetooth to connect. Okay, that little noise right there says we are connected with the Bluetooth. Now you can see what I was talking about when I turn this on. Because this is going through, it's not a direct line, there's going to be a slight lag. You're going to see her mouth move before the sound. I don't know how many milliseconds it is, but you're going to see what the difference is with Bluetooth as opposed to direct wire. It's not terrible, but if it bothers some people, you can just go with the this one, which is a straight wire. But if you just need to go wireless and you have no choice, it's not terrible, but you can make the judgment yourself. So here we go.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond, let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
So there it is. So you can make the judgment call yourself. I'm going to put both of these videos on one video. So I'm going to play the first one and then play the second one instead of making two separate videos. I'm going to upload them tonight and I will have them posted tomorrow. Or actually, this is tonight. So you're actually going to see it tomorrow. So I'll post this on Thursday. So I'll make a note showing the difference between just a wired connection or a Bluetooth connection, so you can judge yourself if what you think, and drop a comment in there. Let me know what you think. Thanks.